Sup, fellas? I came here to clean this truck a little bit inside. I removed the seat and I took it home. Tried to clean it, but man, the person who was driving this truck, I think it was driving it covered with grease. It was the same with the steering wheel. Jesus. The seat is all dirty, like crazy dirty. Okay, let me take this, and because later I'm gonna clean the floor too. I got everything to clean the floor. And now I'm gonna clean the vinyl, all the walls. I got this product here and we'll see how it works. Let's do it. Open the door so I got a little bit more air coming in. I took a mask, thinking about wearing it anyway. I don't know if this smells or not. We'll see. Let's start it. It does smell a little bit, but not too bad. Not even that dirty, but I'm gonna start with the ceiling. I need the headliner. Whew. And I just got this thing, guys, and the sprayer is already. What the? Nah. What a garbage. Jesus. Okay, I think I fixed it. Yeah. Not for long. Okay, I hope I got it now. This thing just fell. It's there now, so. Yeah. The vinyl is still very nice condition here. Everywhere. The whole truck. Except right there. I don't know what happened, but all around here it's nice. It's not damaged. There's no water damage anywhere. Some of this plastic, so like this one here, it's cracked. The light right here. But other than that, it's nice. door and a sleeper. So, okay, now I'm gonna clean the curtains and here on the front. Time for doors. I'm gonna have to take the headliner anyway, because I gotta replace the air horns. Look at this. Now it's time for the floor, fellas. Clean the dashboard a little bit. Let's try this grease and everything coming off. I thought it's gonna be worse. It's gonna look nice. Okay guys, look at the difference. Wow. I just have to bring a clean bucket. I mean, bucket with a clean water. Wow. It's nice and clean now. Even the carpet. Well, look at the water. Check it out. Oh my god. There it is over there. Wow. Whew. A little bit of JDM. And it's gonna smell much nicer. I gotta bring a clean water anyway and clean it again. Round 2, guys. So it's clean, but it's gonna be cleaner. Clean water. Oh yeah. We're gonna clean it a little bit more. Look at this now, guys. Smells good, looks good. I want to remove this panel here, but it's all rusty and the nuts are under the truck, so I'm not gonna do it now. I'm just gonna treat it with some rust converter for now. But if I find another one somewhere on the junkyard in better condition, but look this one is falling apart already. I'm gonna remove the whole thing and replace it with another one.